Hi, my name is Christopher Hart, and I am a cartoonist and author of many books on drawing cartoons and animation, manga, all sorts of stuff. And today I've been given some requests by, well, you guys to do a video tutorial on the 3/4 view. And that's a really important view. It's the most common view there is. And the reason is, a front view is exactly straight. A side view is exactly sideways. But if they move even slightly, they become a 3/4 view. And that's what we're going to take a look at right now. I'm going to show you the contours of the face that go into creating it. And here is the basic structure of it. And I will do it over again in the marker once I finish the setup here and explain a few things. So let's get the eye line here established. This is kind of flat over here. Here are the eyebrows. It's a little long. I'm going to straighten that jawline out here. Now right along here, let's just draw the guides for the eyes. And now we're going to work on those contours. We're going to bring this in. This is called the orbit of the eye. It's a part right here that goes in concave and comes back out here for the cheekbone. It's looking a little more familiar now. Now over here, this chin sneaks out a little bit fuller this way. So it doesn't just continue to go all the way back in. That would be a recessed chin. Comes out just a little bit like that. That's the side of the nose. We'll leave that in there. Let's just indicate the pupils. Like that. We're going to bring over the far side of the nose, go straight into the eyebrow. And over here, eyebrow is very flat. Now this will widen out a little bit here. This is actually a muscle right here. So let's bring this down here and bring out more mass in the back of the head. Here's a contour this way. Bring this a little lower. And now let's bring in some hair. This is also going to double as the hairline right here. Sideburn. It follows the contours of the head. I'm going to bring this back a little bit. And take a little off the top. A little off the top, please. Okay. I think we're ready to give it a try and see if we can put that together with some marker and see what we have. A little too full on that lip, upper lip. That's better. Okay, let's start with the eyes. I think that'd be the best place to start with. A nice slash across the top. Keep in mind, try to keep the level even. Round, but it's going to bleed into the upper eyelid a little bit. See that? It's cut off by the upper eyelid. And now for the eyebrow. Tip of the nose, nostril, and the side here. Now we'll get those contours going. A little bit of contour here. Angle of the jaw. A little bit of the bowl of the nose showing here. Right under the chin. That goes right under the chin, comes back here. It's very thick. You have a lot of head comes out behind the neck. Back to the hairline we spoke about. And there we go. There is a 3/4 view for you, going over a few things one at a time. I hope you found that enjoyable and helpful. I have new videos every week. I hope you will subscribe. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.